Hello everyone. In this video, we will see how to construct a massager as a part of Qurio REaCH constructions. Let's move to step 1. In step 1, we have taken one L plate, and to that L plate, we have joined a flat rotator with 0.5-inch bolt and nut to create a hole here. Also on this side, we have joined one L connector using 0.5-inch bolt and nut. Taken the second L plate, and to that L plate we have attached a double bar using two nuts and bolts here. Onto that L plate we have created a hole using a flat rotator and a 0.5-inch bolt and nut. You see, it is here in the middle hole. Here also, out of these three slits, in the middle slit the hole is. So they are aligned. We have also created one hole using a flat rotator and a 0.5-inch bolt and nut at this place of the double bar. This we are going to call as assembly A. Let's move to the next step. Now this is our assembly A, and this was our second L plate. These two L plates we have joined using a double bar at these two places. If you remember, we had L connector to this L plate, and that is where we have joined this bolt. And here the L plate itself had one slit, and there we have joined the second bolt. Now we took one C plate and attached a DC motor with a motor shaft, and on that motor shaft we have placed one spacer. We have taken a big gear, attached 1.5-inch bolt and nut tightly attached here, and onto that we have put two spacers, and that is what we mounted onto the motor shaft and locked it using a shaft lock. We'll call this as assembly B. Now this assembly A, which we created earlier, and assembly B, which we created in last step, have been connected to each other using a nut which is loosely attached. And now in our last step, we are going to put three wheels using one axle medium. That axle medium goes through the two holes which were there on these L plates. And on the outer side here, we have a wheel, a spacer. So there is a spacer on inside here, then a wheel, and then it is secured at the position using a shaft lock. Here in middle, we have two spacers on one side. Our wheel has a protruding part and a flat part. So on the flat side, we have attached two spacers, whereas on the protruding part, we have attached one spacer. And in between these spacers, we have this wheel that is mounted on this axle M. And on the final side, on the left hand side, we have put one spacer, then wheel, and then secured in position using a shaft lock. So that completes our massager. Connect your remote, hold the C plate in your hand, and you'll see massager will go to and fro. Enjoy operating, and do write your experience in the comment section.